What's the meaning of age-long? Age-long. 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 The term age-long is used to describe something that has lasted for a very long time, often for centuries or even millennia. It implies a sense of endurance and permanence, withstanding the passage of time. The phrase is commonly used to describe historical events, traditions, or cultural practices that have persisted over a significant period. For example, the age-long conflict between Israel and Palestine has spanned generations and shows no signs of abating. In essence, age-long speaks to the enduring nature of certain aspects of human experience and history.